Hello guys, welcome back to the GFS Tech. Today I will demonstrate you how to create a table in SQL Server Management Studio with the GUI user interface and CUI user interface, means a graphical user interface and a command line by a command line, also SQL command by a SQL command. So let's begin how we will create that. So we will go to the SQL Server Management Studio. First we will open the SQL Server Management Studio. So we just want to open the table. So what we will do, just you just press on the plus icon of any database. So I am just using this ABC database to create a table. So click here in the plus icon, then this is table option will open. So right click on the table, then click on the new, then click on the table. So provide the column name, means SID, data type integer, uncheck this allow null, then give the another column name, give s name, s name, varchar, allow data type, varchar 50, uncheck this, then address varchar 50 data type, then uncheck this, and you want to save this table, press Ctrl S, then provide the table name student 1, then click on OK button. Now table is created successfully. So if you want to insert the data into this table, then just click on the table. Here student table is student 1 table. So refresh the database, you will see that your table is there now, student 1. So you want to insert the data into this table, so just right click, edit top 200 rows, student ID 1, name give Ajay, address Satna, then ID 2, name Ashish, address Riva. So if you and then you want to save this data, just click close this window. Now data is saved. If you want to see the data, just right click on the table, see select top 1000 row. So your data will be present there. Okay. Now I will show you how to create the data with SQL command. So write a create table command. So create table, table name student 2, provide the column name student underscore ID, int student underscore name, varchar 50, provide the data type, address, provide the data type varchar 50. Then just select this and press F5 button from the keyboard to run this command. Now table is created successfully. If you want to see that table, so just write command select star from as the student 2 you have just now created. Select this command, press F5 from the keyboard. Now there is no data. Now we will insert the data into this table. So how we will insert the data into this table? Insert into student to values. What value we want to ID? 1 and student name Ajay in single quote, then comma, then city in single quote Satna, and just press F5. So now record is inserted. So you want to see that record, just select star from the table and press F5 again. So now data is inserted. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning.